to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a shot. Hello guys, thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to undo my cornrows. Guys, I've had these cornrows for almost 2 months. I braided them last month, that is 13th of May, and today is 28th of June. And so guys, the reason why I have this hair on like for this long is because my babysitter told me if I want my hair to grow I should have it on for over 2 months or 3 months, but I couldn't have it for more than 2 months, guys. And you can see the hair is really grown. I can see a lot of new growth, and you can't even see my scalp. And the reason why, guys, I've had this hair for this long and it was not even itchy is because of this Venus anti-dandruff oil. It really helped my scalp because it wasn't itchy at all. So what I used to do, I just used to brush my hair like that and then wear my wigs. Scalp was not itching at all. And so I'm trying to detangle this hair, and guys, I'm telling you, it is so painful. Like, just getting that comb through that hair is so painful. I actually did the braids myself. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. And I can see it has really grown, guys. I can see some growth. And also the edges, guys, I can still see the edges are still intact even though I've been wearing wigs. And it's not smelling. It's not smelling because of the Venus anti-dandruff. Like, guys, that oil smells so good. Yes, it's not smelling at all. And so I am done undoing the cornrows, and guys, you can see there are some dandruff stuck on the hair. Guys, this comb can't even go through. Like, it is so painful. And guys, when I tell you I have an African hair, I really mean it. Steel wool, it's like literally a steel wool. It is so thick and just painful. I can't comb through. And I'm trying to use this afro comb, guys, and it is so painful. So guys, what I always use, I love using this comb. I got this comb from a Nigerian friend of mine, guys. Thank you so much for this comb. This comb is like the real deal. First of all, your hair won't shed when you use this comb. So this is what I always do, just like insert it in my hair and then pull it through like that, and it's not painful, but it will straighten your hair. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. So guys, I washed and conditioned my hair, so I'm going to apply this treatment again from Venus. Using this treatment will prevent your hair from excess shedding. Took me over 2 hours to just straighten this hair, guys. Like, and it was so painful and So here I'm done. It is straight. So when you see, it is so straight. I can at least hold it in a ponytail. I'm just going to apply this oil to make it flat, and then brush using this magic comb. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things. And then just hold it in a ponytail using this elastic band. And guys, you can see how flat my hair is. Like, I really tried blow drying it, guys. But I don't like blow drying my hair because I hate heat. I hate heat on my head. So it is so flat. And then I'm using this extension just to, you know, finish up the look.
also it has hooks and loops on the sides where if you want to reduce the size, you can as well reduce the size with the loops on the sides. To secure it on my head, I'm going to insert it like that with the hooks, and then I'm using pins to make it more secure on my head. And guys, this extension is the same color as my hair, number 1. The extension is number 1 and my hair is number 1, so no one can even tell it's an extension because it just looks like my real hair. So to finish up this look, let me apply makeup on my face and then style it.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again.
You can style it any way you want. You can put bangs, or you can put the extension on the side, back, or just whichever place you want on your head. And so guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos on how to make a wig, how to style your wigs, and different types, how to make different types of wigs, guys, I'll put links down in the description box below so you can go watch. Like this wig I made without a closure, and this one is just an afro kinky wig, guys. The links are down in the description box below. If you're interested, you can watch them because they are very easy to make.
Don't know, but some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them.
And so that was it, guys, for today. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share, guys. Share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, we're the angels, fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, something